Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas. In today's class, we'll discuss about the construction of LL1 parsing table. Okay, so now we'll see how to construct the LL1 parsing table. Here LL1 parsing table, or we can say predictive parsing table, or we can say non-recursive descent parsing table. Okay, now we'll construct the LL1 parsing table for the following grammar. This is one of the grammar is given. Now we'll construct the LL1 parsing table. So how to construct the LL1 parsing table? See. So one note point, remember one note point. This is very, very important. One note point. The size of the LL1, size of LL1 parsing table, size of LL1 parsing table. The size of LL1 parsing table equals to n into t plus 1. N into t plus 1. Here n is the non-terminal. Here n equals to non-terminal. Here n equals to non-terminal. Here t means terminal. Here t means terminal. Okay. So now we'll see how many non-terminals are present in the context-free grammar and how many terminals are present in the context-free grammar. Okay. Now we'll check how many n present in the context-free grammar. See here. Here one E prime, T prime, F. So there are 5 non-terminals in the following grammar. So here n equals to 5. How many terminals are present? See here, how many terminals? See, this is one terminal and this is one terminal. This is one terminal means this is one terminal, close bracket, and ID is one terminal. So flash, star, open bracket, close bracket, and ID. There are 5 terminals. So what is the size of the parsing table? Size of the parsing table equals to, so here n equals to 5. Here t means 5 plus 1. So here 5 into 6 plus 1 means total 30. So table size equal to 30. Okay. So here means for this grammar, the table size equal to table size here, table size equals to 30. Okay. Now we'll in the first step we'll find out see, in the first step we'll find out the first set and follow set. So I'm just erasing this one. Here table size equals to 30 means for this table I'm writing here table size equals to 30. Okay. First we'll find out the first set and follow set. So first of E prime, first of T, first of T prime, first of F. Right. So now we'll find out the first set. First we'll find the first of F. Okay. So F contains 2 productions. Here F contains 2 productions like F2. This is the, okay. E, this is open bracket, this is close bracket, then F2 ID. So first up here there are 2 terminals. Here open bracket is the terminal, E is the non-terminal, and this close bracket is the terminal. So first of this one means first of this production means first of this open bracket. First of open bracket. So first of open bracket is here terminal. So first of terminal is nothing but terminal. So this is terminal. F2 ID. F2 ID means here first of ID. First of ID is nothing but ID. So open bracket and ID. Open bracket and ID. Right? Then we'll find out first of T prime. Here T prime contains two productions. So it is nothing but here for first production star F T prime. So first is nothing but star. First is nothing but star. Then epsilon. Then we'll find out first of E prime. First of E prime is nothing but plus and epsilon. Here plus epsilon. Then we'll find out first of T. First of T, here I'm just erasing. Okay. T to F T prime. T to F T prime. So first of T is nothing but first of F. First of F. See, first of F equals to what? Open bracket and ID. First of F does not contain any epsilon. So first of F is nothing but here. Sorry, first of T is nothing but first of F. First of F is open bracket and ID. Open bracket and ID. Okay. Now we'll find out first of E. First of E. Here E2 T E prime. So first of E is nothing but first of T. First of E is nothing but first of T. First of T. So first of T equal to what? Open bracket and ID. Open bracket and ID. Okay. So first of all non-terminals complete. Now we'll find out the follow set. Now we'll find out the follow set. Here follow of E, follow of E prime, then follow of T, then follow of T prime, then follow of F. Okay. So now we'll find. Here is the starting symbol. Since E is the starting symbol, so follow of E contain by default $. Okay. Now we'll check where is E present in the right side of the production. There is no E in the first production. There is no E in the second production. There is no E in the third production. There is no E in the fourth production. Yes, one is here. One is here. So F2, see, F2, this production. Now we'll check. Here is present. Now, so now we'll check. But first of, there is something in the right side of E. There is something in the right side of E. So first of something means first of what? Open bracket. First of, sorry, close bracket. First of close bracket. So first of close bracket is nothing but close bracket. So $, close bracket. Okay. Now we'll find out all of E prime. So I'm erasing here. Where is E prime? See this one. E2 T E prime. See, there is nothing in the right side of E prime. So first here follow of E prime. Follow of E prime is nothing but there is nothing in the right side of E prime means follow of E prime means what? Follow of E. Follow of E. Follow of E means $, close bracket, $, close bracket. Now we'll check where is E in the right side. This is one production, E prime 2 plus T E prime. E prime 2 plus T E prime. There is nothing in the right side of E prime. So here follow of E prime Follow of E prime is nothing but follow of E prime. Follow of E prime. So follow of E prime equal to dollar and open bracket. So there is no E prime in the right side. So follow of E prime equals to dollar and open bracket. Okay. Now I am erasing here. Okay. Now we'll find out follow of T. Where is T in the right side? See. This is the first production. E2 T E prime. So there is something in the right side of T. So follow of T is nothing but first of E prime. So first of E prime. First of E prime equal to plus and epsilon. Since first of E prime contains epsilon, so here just remove epsilon and union follow of E. Follow of E. Okay, first of E prime minus epsilon means it contains epsilon. Sorry, plus. Follow of E. Follow of E means dollar and open bracket. Dollar open bracket. So first of T equals to plus dollar and close bracket. So now we'll check where is T in the right side. Second production E prime 2 plus T E prime. Okay, now we'll check. So here there is something in the right side of T. So follow of T means follow of T here. Follow of T means first of E prime. Here first of E prime equal to plus and epsilon. So minus epsilon union follow of E prime. Follow of E prime. So first of E prime means plus minus epsilon plus epsilon minus epsilon means plus follow of E prime. Follow of E prime means dollar close bracket. Okay. So plus dollar close bracket already present. Okay, no need to write. Now I'm erasing here. Okay, now we'll check where is T in the right side. There is no T in the right side. Now we'll find out follow of T prime. See where is T prime? Yes, T2 F T prime. See here follow of T prime. Follow of T prime. There is nothing in the T prime. There is nothing in the right side of T prime. So follow of T prime means follow of T. Follow of T. Here follow of T equal to plus dollar close bracket. Okay. Now we'll see where is T in the right side. Sorry, where is T prime? This is the second production. Here T prime 2 star F T prime star F T prime. Here follow of T prime. There is nothing in the right side of T prime. So follow of T prime equals to follow of T prime. Follow of T prime. Follow of T prime is plus dollar close bracket. Okay. So now I'm erasing here. Now we'll find out follow of F. Where is F in the right side of the product? Right side of the production. T2 F T prime. T2 F T prime. So here follow of F. Follow of F. There is something in the right side of F. Something in the right side of F means follow of F means first of T prime. First of T prime. Just check first of T prime equals to as it contains epsilon. Since it contains epsilon, just eliminate epsilon here. Union follow of T. Follow of T. First of T prime minus epsilon means star. Follow of T. Follow of T means plus dollar close bracket plus dollar close bracket. So here this is plus star dollar close bracket. Okay. Now I am erasing here. Here next we'll see where is F in the right side. Yes, one more F, T prime 2 star F T prime, star F T prime. See here, follow of F. There is something in the right side of F. Follow of F means first of T prime. See, first of T prime contains epsilon. So minus epsilon union follow of T prime. Follow of T prime. First of T prime minus epsilon means star. Follow of T prime means plus dollar close bracket. Star is present, plus is present, dollar and close bracket is already there. So no need to write. Okay. So this is the first set and follows. Okay. Now see. So first set is given, follow set, you just find out table size is here 30. Now we'll construct the LL1 parsing table. How? See. See. Okay. See here, the upper part means this part. This part is called terminals. The upper part is called terminals. This part is called non-terminal. Non-terminal. So how many terminals and how many non-terminals are there? So here n equals to 5 means non-terminal equals to 5. Here non-terminal means E, E prime, T, T prime and F. See. So now we'll write here E, this is E prime, T, this is T prime and this is F. Okay. The upper part is called terminal. Okay. So how many terminals are here? See. One is ID. First one is plus, first one is plus. You can write in any order, it's not a problem. You can write in any order. First one is plus. Next one is star. Next one is open bracket. Next one is close bracket. Next one is ID. Remember, the last one is called dollar. The last one by default is called dollar. Okay. Now we'll construct the table. This is the plus part. Star. Open bracket. Close bracket. ID. Star. Okay. So this is called LL1 parsing table. Parsing table. Okay. See, just count. What is the table size here? Table size is 30. Table size 30 means just count how many boxes in the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 into number of here columns are 6. Here number of columns are 6. Number of rows are 5. Rows are 5. So number of columns into rows means 6 into 5 equals to 30. So here table size is 30. Now we just fill. Now we'll fill this table. Now we'll just fill this table. How to fill this table? See, we'll fill this table based on first and follow set. Based on first and follow set. First we will fill based on first set. See, here E2 has just see the production. See the production. E2 T E prime. One production is there, but E2 T E prime. First production we will select. First production E2 T E prime. Now we will check first of E. First of E equal to what? Open bracket and ID. Open bracket and ID. See? You can see. Yes. So first of E equals to open bracket and ID. So now we'll fill open bracket and ID. But E2 open bracket, E2 open bracket and E2 ID. I'll just fill the first production means E2 TE prime. E2 TE prime. Here E2 TE prime. In this way we can fill. Okay. Now we'll see one more. See the next production here. The second production is here. I'm erasing this one. E prime 2 plus T E prime. E prime 2 plus T E prime. Okay, the second production. So first of E prime equals to what? So here first of E prime equals to plus and epsilon. Plus and epsilon. If it contains epsilon, if any first contains epsilon, we have to follow the follow of E prime. Follow of E prime. Okay. First we will fill the first of E prime. Means for this production. For this production, first equal to what? First equal to plus. First equal to plus. So now we'll fill what? Plus here. So E prime 2 plus E prime 2 plus T E prime. Okay. Next we will see E prime 2 epsilon. E prime 2 epsilon. Okay. So what is the means first of the next production E prime 2 epsilon. So here first of E prime equal to what? Epsilon. Since first of E prime equal to epsilon. So in this case particularly, if first of any non-terminal equals to epsilon, in this case we have to follow set. So what is the follow set here? Follow of E prime equal to dollar and close bracket. So we'll fill dollar and close bracket, but E prime 2 epsilon. E prime 2 epsilon. Okay. In this way we can fill. If first of any non-terminal contains epsilon, in this case we have to follow set means follow of that non-terminal. This is the important point. Okay, now we'll see similarly the next production. Next production is, I'm just erasing here. But T2 FT prime, T2 FT prime. Okay, so first of T equal to open bracket and ID. Okay, see, open bracket and id. So I'll just fill t to ft prime here, t to f t prime, t to f t prime. Okay, okay. Next one, we'll see the next production. The next production is t star t prime, but star f t prime, star f t prime, t prime star f t prime. See, for this first of t prime also contains epsilon, means particularly for this production first of t prime equals to what? Star. So first of t prime equal to star. So now we'll put here star, what? T prime to star f t prime. Okay, now we'll see one more production, t prime to epsilon, t prime to epsilon. Here first of t prime equals to epsilon. Since first of t prime equal to epsilon, in this case we have to follow set, means follow set of t prime. So follow set of t prime, follow of t prime equal to plus dollar and close bracket, plus dollar and close bracket. Okay, see, plus dollar then close bracket. So here we'll fill t prime to epsilon, t prime to epsilon here, t prime to epsilon here, t prime to epsilon. Okay, now we'll see the next production, f2. Here f2, next production f2, open bracket e close bracket. So in this case first of f, in this means for this production first of f is nothing but what? Only open bracket. So first of f is only open bracket. So now we'll put f2 open bracket, what? f2 this production, f2 e production, open bracket e and close production. Next production, see, f2 id, see, f2 id for first, in this case first of f is nothing but id. So first of f equal to id. So f2 id will place f2 id. So f2 id. Okay. So this is the LL1 parsing table. So this is the LL1 parsing table. Okay. One note point, just see. The here question is next, one more question. The next point here, verify the given grammar is LL1 or not. Verify the given grammar is LL1 or not. How to verify? See. One important point, how to verify this grammar is LL1 or not. One note point you can write here. One note point. The grammar is said to be, the grammar is said to be LL1 if there is no multiple entry in its LL1 table. Okay, so now we'll see. There is no multiple means the grammar is said to be LL1 if there is no multiple entry, if there is no multiple entry in its LL1 table. No multiple entry. See, is there any multiple entry? Multiple entry means if any box, this is one 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 box. If any box contains two productions, two or more productions, if any box, let this box contains suppose one more productions like this, E2, suppose E prime 2E. Let that means if any box contains multiple entries, then this grammar is not LL1. So see here this box contains only one production, this box contains only one production, this one contains only one production, this box 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 contains only one production, this one is also contains only one production. Similarly, every box contains either no production or contains only one production. So this grammar is called LL1. If any box contains multiple entries or multiple productions, so this grammar is not LL1. Here, each and every box either empty or contains only one production. Okay, so that's why this grammar is LL1. That's why this grammar is LL1. Now the next one. Now the next question here. Also verify whether it is ambiguous or not. Whether it is ambiguous or not. Remember one note point here. One note point. If a grammar is LL1, if a grammar is LL1 means, sorry, if a grammar is LL1, if a grammar is LL1 means this grammar is called unambiguous. Unambiguous. Okay. So if a grammar is LL1 means this grammar is called unambiguous grammar. So since this grammar is LL1, so it must be unambiguous. That means every LL1 grammar is unambiguous grammar. Every LL1 grammar is unambiguous grammar, but every unambiguous grammar need not be LL1. Every LL1 grammar is unambiguous, but every unambiguous grammar need not be LL1. This is very, very important point. Okay. So since this grammar is LL1, so this grammar is also ambiguous. Since the grammar is LL1, this grammar is also ambiguous. Sorry, unambiguous grammar. So this grammar is unambiguous grammar. This is not ambiguous, means unambiguous grammar. So finally, this grammar is called LL1 grammar, and it is also called unambiguous grammar. Okay. So in the next class, we'll discuss about one more example of LL1 parsing table. Okay. Thanks for watching.